In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and organize content in Notion. We'll go through the core basics of creating a simple, clean page in Notion. From typing your first words to arranging everything so it looks polished and easy to read. This is a great place to start if you're new to Notion or if you want a smoother, more organized way to take notes, draft ideas, or build documents. To begin, open a Notion page and start typing. That's one of the things that makes Notion feel so approachable. You don't need to open a separate editor or click through a lot of menus. Just click anywhere on the page and begin writing. This first step is all about getting your content onto the page, whether it's a title, notes, a rough outline, or the first draft of something longer. As you build your page, use the slash command to add different kinds of content blocks. Simply type a forward slash, and Notion will show you a menu of options. From here, you can insert regular text, headings, bulleted or numbered lists, toggles, or callouts. Blocks are the foundation of how Notion works, so getting comfortable with them makes everything else easier. They let you structure information clearly instead of keeping everything in one long wall of text. Next, format your text to make important information stand out. Highlight any text you want to adjust and use the formatting options to bold it, italicize it, underline it, or change its color. Formatting is helpful when you want to emphasize key points, separate ideas visually, or make the page easier to scan later. A little formatting goes a long way, so try to use it with purpose. To keep your page organized, use headings to divide your content into sections. Headings create a clear visual structure and help readers understand the flow of information. If your page covers multiple topics, this makes it much easier to follow and much more professional looking. If you decide something should appear earlier or later on the page, drag blocks to rearrange your content. Notion makes this very flexible, so you can move ideas around without copying and pasting everything. This is especially useful when you're refining a draft or improving the layout. You can also edit text directly inside each block at any time. Just click into a block and make your changes. This makes updating your page quick and seamless as your ideas evolve. Finally, review the page and make sure it feels clean, readable, and well organized. Look over the spacing, headings, formatting, and overall flow. A quick final check helps turn a rough page into something clear and polished.